Hi, how are you? Quick disclaimer, if my voice is a little off or I look a little off, I'm struggling with the cold right now. I'm a little better than yesterday, but just want to let you know that's why I sound the way I do. But other than that, things are great. I just received my lip service bag. So if you don't know, lip service is a monthly subscription and you get lip balm from a small shop like an Etsy shop and some other goodies too. And it's super affordable. It's only $5.95 per month. And I have a discount code to share with you guys so you can save 10%, so it's even cheaper than that. And it is so worth it. I love lip balm. If you're a lip balm lover, this is for you. Like, I have one in every room in the house, like the more the better, especially now that these cooler months are approaching, at least in parts of the world, you know, in Florida, like I say in every video, it's not cold yet, but eventually it is, but still, that doesn't stop me from loving lip balm. So I love how it comes in a bag, more economical. I have so many boxes, it's just hard to recycle, so packaging is great. And I'm just gonna get unboxed. I'm gonna see if there's like a piece of paper or anything for the month. Ooh, I see some goodies. Okay, so it looks like it has like a little fall theme. Apples are very fall-like, aren't they? It says, I love autumn. Is it that all too short season that feels like a breath of fresh air between summer and winter? This month, Lip Service is celebrating the season with a spiced apple cider lippie. Oh, I'm super excited, by Cire de. I'm sorry, I'm butchering the name. Skincare from Fairpoint, New York. Check them out on Etsy. I'll leave the link below, or the name of them below, if you guys want to check it out, because I clearly cannot speak. And it said they also included a new K-Beauty sheet mask to try, and in case you are feeling indecisive this fall, a little magic fish. We guarantee he will be 50% as accurate as a magic 8-ball in making choices. I'm interested to see what that is. But okay, maybe like the lolly, he is just for fun. Enjoy, Rebecca. So Rebecca is the creator of the subscription service. She also has Rebecca Mail, I believe. Yeah, Rebecca Mail is another box they have. So I'm just gonna dive in and see what they're talking about. This must be the K-Beauty mask. I love sheet masks. Last month we got eye masks. I love those too. So this is a collagen essential eye mask. It's made with cotton. And this is what the packaging looks like. And it is not in English on the back, so I can't really tell you much more about it, but it's made with 100% cotton, which is good. And then other than that, I don't know anything. If you guys can read this language, then there you go. But I'm excited to try this. I love sheet masks. I say that all the time when I get them. The more the better. I have a whole drawer of masks, and I really use at least a few a week, so keep them coming. Oh, this is what, okay. Fortune teller miracle fish. Place fish in the palm of the hand and its movements will indicate. Wait, like a real fish? No. I don't know. I guess this is some kind of thing they do in other countries. I don't know, but you place a fish in the palm of the hand and its movements will indicate. Like if it's moving its head, it's jealousy, moving the tail, indifference. I don't know. Here, you guys can read it there. That's silly. Just like a little fun thing they must do. I will not be putting any live fish in here. One of them says dead or something. Motionless. Dead one. Oh. I don't want to kill any fishies, but this is funny. It's like a little bag. I guess you could use it for something else if you want. And then there's a little lollipop. Like I remember reading that. She says something about it. Fun. I love that. And then here's the lippie. I love that it is spiced apple cider lip balm. That is perfect for fall, isn't it? Let's see. Oh man, it smells exactly how you would expect. It smells super good. I cannot wait to use it. It says it's hand poured, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Awesome. So yeah, it's made in New York. It says orchard, juicery, and farm store. So they must make some other stuff there too. And it has the little leapfrog symbol on there if you didn't believe it was cruelty-free. So that makes me feel good about it. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. I think it's such a fun subscription service. I mean, this fortune teller thing, that's silly, but like, you know, gave me a good chuckle. And then, of course, I love a little piece of candy, and I love sheet masks. And sheet masks alone cost around $6 like each, like, in my experience. So just that alone. And then the lip product that is handmade or hand poured, that is awesome. So definitely worth it. I will put the link to the service below, and I will pin a comment with it along with my coupon code. I believe it's just Kitty's Boxes, but I will put it there so you can just copy and paste it right into when you subscribe if you want to. I think it's worth it. I like it. What do you think? Leave a comment below. But anyways, thanks for dealing with my sick voice and my sick brain, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.